Good evening, everyone. Myself Hannah George. I'm from Advice International. Today, I would like to share some ideas on the topic UK and Education Hub on light of the new changes which is going to be effective from January 2021 intake. So UK as an education hub, you all might be aware that why students choose UK as an education destination. First of all, due to this internationally recognized qualifications that UK offers. So around 160 countries in the world recognize UK qualifications. And then quality of education, there is no compromise on the quality of education, and there are many bodies who checks the quality of education like the QAA in the UK. And then the opportunities offered by the UK qualifications. You have a wide range of qualifications which you can do, mix and match. For example, you can have dual degrees, majors, different majors, combinations, permutations, combinations. And another important aspect is the shorter duration of the courses. You can complete a master's program in an year's time, and you can complete an undergraduate qualification within 3 years. And then there is an English language support system to help the students who are weak in English or who doesn't qualify. And there is even an English language waiver of system available in the UK. And there is a promotion of close student-teacher interactions and a combination of different subjects in a single course, which is available in the UK. And next importance of UK as an education destination, international education hub, is the unique culture. If you are into a popular university campus in the UK, you can have an interaction with people from around 120 nationalities. So students from around 80 to 100 nationalities, and even faculty members from around that many countries are there in the UK campuses, university campuses. So which shapes you well as a global citizen, right? As which helps you develop personally and professionally. And another important aspect of UK education is UK allows you to work while studying and after studying. While studying, you can work 20 hours per week, and vacations you can have full-time work. And after completion of the course, you can have 2-year post-study work permit for a master's qualification and a bachelor's qualification as well. And for a PhD, you can have a 3-year stay-back option, which is recently introduced in the UK. And then scholarships and financial support. Most of the UK universities offer merit-based scholarships and funding opportunities to international students. So first of all, in order to apply for a scholarship, first of all, you should get accepted to the particular course in the university, right? And then another important aspect of UK education is strong research infrastructure. 30% of the UK university research is classified as world leading and 46% as internationally excellent by Research Excellence Framework. Support system. So every year UK government welcomes lots of international students with open arms. There is no restriction to the number of international students which can be accepted to UK universities. Another important aspect about UK student visa, which is very clear and very simple when compared to other countries. You don't have much of documentations associated. You need to show funding only for 1 year, even though you're going for a 3-year or 4-year program. And then like the process and the duration of funds which you need to deposit in your account, that is also simple, shorter, I mean. That is, if you have your funds ready in your bank account for minimum 28 days, you can utilize that funds and you can apply for your visas. And there are some new changes which are going to be ineffective from 2021 January in the UK. That is, UK is having a new point-based immigration system, right? So the point-based immigration system which will help the students to get a job faster and gives additionally 20 points to their permanent residency application also. So according to the new rules, total 70 points are required by migrants who wish to live and work in the UK. Right. So there are certain changes which is going to be effective from in light of the new rules, proposed new rules. So as per the existing rules for the visas, the student requires 40 points, that is 30 points for the CAS and 10 points for the finance in order to be qualified to get a visa. As per the proposed new rules, the students would need to have 70 points, that is 50 points for CAS and academics, 10 points for finance and 10 for English language requirements. Then English language requirements, right now UKVI is accepting IELTS, or as per the new rules they will accept other qualifications also. And another important change is regarding the visa application. So right now we can apply only 3 months prior the course start date for the visas. So as per the new rules, you can apply 6 months in advance before the course start date for the visas. And there is no study time limits above degree level. That is a proposed change. Right now we have a 5 years capping. And applications within UK, there is a proposal that there is no financial documents which needs to be shown for the students who are already in UK for more than 12 months or longer. And then as per the existing rules, maintenance funds have to be shown. And living expenses right now inside London, the students have to show £11,365 and 11,385 pounds. And outside London, £9,135. There is going to be a slight change proposed, that is 12,006 inside London and 9,207 outside London. Then currently the UK universities doesn't have to show the details of the English language assessment in the CAS. Now onwards there is a proposal to include that aspect, like how the universities have assessed the English language requirements in the CAS also. These are certain changes which are to be proposed in the UK, but as per the current scenario, the COVID situation also, students have already started flying to UK. They have already reached UK because they have to be in quarantine for 14 days. That is the only change in this intake. So things are very smooth, very safe. Students have started moving, and then it is a very good advantage that this point system is going to be introduced. And then the 2-year post-study and 3-year for PhD students, post-study for the PhD students also, that makes even an added more option for UK. As such, it's a very good destination and the most renowned destination for international education. Now it's going to be more promising. Thank you all of you. And if you have any queries associated with UK education, definitely you can contact Advice International. We have you can visit our website, adviceinternational.com. You can post your queries there. We have a virtual counseling which is open, so we will be able to help you out, counsel you or through Zoom or Google platform, and we will be able to clarify all your queries and help you with all the process through the virtual counseling platform. Moreover, we have a series of events which has been happening from March, which is still continuing. So the students have the opportunity to attend the series also, at the comfort of your home. You can interact with the delegates, and you can even avail scholarships, and you can even make applications in advance, because January 2021 we have most of the courses open now, because of the COVID situation. Most of the universities which doesn't usually have a January intake also have got courses starting in January this year 2021. So it's a very good opportunity for students to start with the application, avail scholarships, and then fly to UK at least in January. Thank you all of you for watching. and please be in touch if you have any queries. uh, Regarding the queries which I am seeing here, Jyoti, if you have any queries on Canada, definitely you can be in touch with Advice. Right now, I am supposed to talk about UK. So we have counselors who can help you out with Canada. We will be in touch with you definitely. So you can post your query, make an inquiry in the website, and then we'll be able to help you out. I think that is enough for the day, and thank you for watching, and please be in touch.